Hey, have you heard about the news of the Tonga earthquake recently? It's a piece of shocking news.
That's right! Some experts believe that climate warming is the cause of this disaster, so we can no longer turn a blind eye to climate change.
You have a point there. I know that people around the world are struggling with the problem of climate change. By the way, do you know about the COP26 that was held in England a few months ago?
I know about that. The agreement in COP26 suggests that we should phase down the use of coal, one of the major fossil fuels.
By the way, we will have the chance to discuss these topics soon.
Exactly! This is one of the topics we're going to discuss with other talented international students worldwide through a Model COP26 conference on 28th January.
Meanwhile, the other two resolutions to be debated focus more on economic issues. The possibility of climate finance commitment and a carbon tax is going to be discussed during the conference.
Well, we are interested in the three topics and we're willing to take this opportunity to discuss them in depth.
In this conference, we can develop our independent ability of active learning. Also, we will have a better understanding of global climate, the environment, and the major news.
It will also cultivate our ability in independent critical thinking. Moreover, it helps us to think about the current social situation and find solutions.
In the process of research, listening, debating, discussions, and negotiations, we hope to develop our global vision, build essential skills to influence changes, and improve our English skills.
Let's nurture our nature so that we can have a better future. Come on, and let's look forward to this COP26 thrilling conference.
Yeah!